Hi, I am Brian Hofschild, and we are doing video number 3 right now on my introduction to coaching soccer in the ages of 6 and 7-year-olds with 5 on the field. The first couple videos we talked about the star formation, okay? 2 forwards, 1 midfield, 2 defense, staying connected together, moving as a unit, okay? Introducing the midfield position. So we want to continue with this concept. We are going to talk about these situations you will find yourself in the soccer game: corner kicks, throw-ins, goal kicks, and free kicks. So how do we use the star formation to position our players in each of these situations? Let's do a corner kick first. Let's say we're the blue team. We've got the ball right here, and we're doing a corner kick, okay? Ideally, we want our right forward to do the corner kick, and we want our left forward hanging out here in front of the net, okay? Now we want our midfield right here in the middle. He needs to be close enough so that he connects the team together. Remember, he's the heart of the team, the center of the team. He should always be close enough that he can pass the ball to the right forward and to the left forward. This guy should have the option to pop the ball into the center or pop it towards the midfield, and then he can take a shot or pass it to here. Remember, we want to have options. Now the defense would naturally probably be like this. So this is kind of our star formation. They can still be close enough to the play where they can even score. Sometimes the defense think they can't score. Their job is only to protect the net, and that is not true. No, we move as a unit up the field. They should be close enough so that they can score, okay? The only thing they have to be mindful of is the orange team, okay? The orange team is probably bunched around like this, all right? So they need to be mindful of these guys. And in the event an orange guy breaks away like this, then he should be moving with him to protect our net. So they have to be kind of watching for that. But on a corner kick, we've got the ball. There's no danger of the orange team scoring right now. So this blue team needs to move up as far as we can and be in a position where we are adding value to our team and creating opportunities for us to score. Now, this guy could slide over in this situation if he wanted to. He could slide over more like this. These guys could both slide over, okay, this way if they wanted to. But basically, we're still in a star formation. The defense are back behind the midfield, okay? And, yep, then we're in a good position. So that's corner kicks. Now, let's do a throw-in. We'll do a blue throw-in first. Blue team has the ball. We're doing a throw-in. We always want the defense to take the throw-in, okay? So I teach my kids to do this. Defense takes the throw-in. The other defense should be here in the center line, even with our other defender. The midfield should be in the middle. His job is this. He has to figure out where is the ball, where is it going. He needs to place himself in that line of fire, okay, that line of direction. Where's the ball, where is it going, and he places himself in that line. So he should be in a position where he's close enough so that this defender can throw the ball to him. Now the other forward should be like this, okay? Look, we are in our star formation again. Defender takes the throw. He can throw it to the midfielder or this guy. I tell this guy to hug the line. I want him standing on that line, okay? I want his back to the line. I want his body facing on the field so that when the ball gets thrown up here like this, okay, he can run onto the field, okay? We don't want him, you know, facing, okay, this direction. We want him facing, okay, towards the goal so he can run onto the field. So I always teach the kids, hug the line. It would be the same thing on this side of the field, just mirror image. Now let's do an orange throw-in. So orange team has the ball, all right? They're going to do a throw-in. Midfielder has to figure out where is the ball, where is it going? See, the soccer game is not supposed to stop. It's a fluid game. It keeps moving, okay? So the referee doesn't blow the whistle and pause the game when the ball goes out of bounds, okay? He only blows the whistle if the kids are doing something wrong, all right? Like they grab the ball and they're throwing it the wrong way or something. But when the ball goes out, the kids are supposed to naturally go and get the ball, pick it up, and throw it in, okay? The game keeps moving. So they might do it quickly, and what needs to happen is the midfielder, the blue midfielder, needs to be thinking on his feet. He needs to be fast. Okay, where's the ball? Where's it going? Well, the ball's right here. The ball is going this way towards our net. So the midfielder needs to place himself in that line of fire, all right? The ball's going this direction. We want our midfielder to stand right here so he can anticipate where's the ball going, and then he can intercept it. And now our team builds themselves around the midfielder. So our right forward is going to mark the thrower. Left forward, right here. He's in a good scoring position. If we get the ball, we can move it up to him. And our defenders are something like this. They're still protecting the net, but they're behind the midfielder. We are in a strong position right now. Okay, we have a very good chance. We're casting our net, okay, around where is the ball going. We're like fishing, okay? We're throwing our net out there, anticipating where is the ball going to go. We're going to cast our net around that area, and then when we capture it, we're going to push it forward, and this guy has got an opportunity to score. All right? So no matter if we're doing a throw-in, or they're doing a throw-in, or we're doing a corner kick, or a free kick, the midfielder's job is always anticipate where is the ball, where is it going, and stand in that position so he can intercept it. If we're doing a goal kick, same thing. Blue team has the ball, okay? We're doing a goal kick. I want our midfielder standing right here and our forwards like this. I might tell my other defender to stand right beside him. Why? Because in a goal kick situation, the orange team has a good chance of getting the ball. I mean, they're usually, you know, spread out like this. They have a good chance of getting it. And then a lot of times on a goal kick, the orange team will get the ball and they will fire it right back. That's why it's nice to have the two defenders kind of standing side by side. I'll have one of them kick the ball forward, the other guy's standing really close and helping guard the net. Once we have got the ball moving down the field, then these guys are free to move up, okay? But I don't like this. I don't like this guy, you know, over here somewhere. Now, it's very easy for the orange team to score. He can get outnumbered very quickly. If the orange team intercepts the ball, he's there by himself. It's not a good situation. So we need to protect the net. That's why I do this. That's the safer way to play. All right? Unless you've got a really strong kicker who can boot the ball down the field, then in that situation, I might send this guy up. Okay? So, corner kicks, throw-ins, goal kicks, and free kicks is the same thing. Okay? So, if we're doing a free kick, again, the game does not stop. It's fluid. It's constantly in motion. Someone hits the ball with their hand. Uh-oh, blue team gets a free kick. All right? So, hey, we've got the ball. He can grab that ball, put it down, and kick it right away. He does not have to wait for the referee to blow the whistle. So, we want to set this thing up as fast as possible. Free kick. Midfielder needs to think, where's the ball? Where's it going? And he places himself directly in that line of fire. Now we build our team around him. Forwards up here, okay? Other defender right here. Okay? If the orange team was doing a free kick, then it would be the same kind of thing. Okay, let's say the orange team is right here. They've got the ball. Okay, where's the ball? Where's it going? First thing we do is place our midfielder right in the middle of that. Defenders here and forwards here. Okay, like that. Now, he can't be too close to the ball because there's a rule about like 6 yards. You gotta be 6 yards away on a free kick. Okay, you can't be standing in front of the ball. That's bad. You gotta give him some space. But the idea is the same. Midfielder right here, defenders behind him, and our forwards up here somewhere. Okay? So that's how we place our team in all those situations. And that's it for video number 3. Thanks for watching.